So I decided to get the Dolphin E70 to put it up against the BeatBot AquaSense because about a month ago I reviewed the AquaSense Pro and a lot of you said, what about the Dolphin? Spring is here and it is time to fling open the windows, dust off the furniture, and shoot the pool. You might be thinking it's time to wrestle with a filthy pool. Well, not this time. You see, I love a sparkling, clean pool in the summer sun, but the spring cleanup can be a real drag, especially when you have to wrestle with a tangled cord and spend hours scrubbing every inch. But what if there was a smarter way? A pool cleaning robot that takes care of the dirty work, leaving you free to enjoy the sunshine or that well-deserved cleaning beverage. That's where the battle of the titans comes in. The BeatBot AquaSense and the Dolphin E70. Both are compelling products in the robotic pool cleaning arena, but today we're putting them head-to-head to see who reigns supreme for spring cleaning. Let's get both of these unboxed first. The AquaSense was very simplistic in nature when unboxing. The unit itself came straight out, and then the charging dock was the next thing to pull out. It was quite simple to figure out how the pieces went together because there was only like 3 pieces that had to be fit together, which are the 2 legs on the bottom connecting into the charging dock. Voila. Installation complete. We are in business. Let's get this thing unwrapped. I love how well they protect this beautiful BeatBot AquaSense automatic pool cleaner. And we got it out of there and we're ready to go. Now the Dolphin E70, getting this out of the box, I was a little overwhelmed, to say the least. There's a lot of screws, a lot of parts, and a lot of components that I was going to have to figure out how to put together, and it was very clear that I was going to have to do some assembling. So first I wrestled with the hose, trying to get it out, and then just decided to take the whole thing out together, which certainly did work out better. I believe this is going to be the stand to store and mount the hose, I think. Some wheels, some extra parts in the bottom here. Everything looked to be intact, but look at the amount of components and parts that I'm going to have to figure out and put together with the Dolphin E70. This is going to be a long afternoon, I can already tell. But the AquaSense, voila, 3 components. Very simplistic. Now, they do recommend that you charge it fully before you start using it for the very first time, but we'll let that charge while I figure out the Dolphin E70. You are going to need a couple of tools like I showed you there in the beginning, and this is 20 times sped up me assembling it. They did provide decent instructions on assembly, but it did take me a good minute here to figure it all out, figure out where all the screws go. I'm fairly handy, so it was easy to figure out. But there we go. We're in business. We got them both set up and ready to test. Look, let's face it. Spring cleaning a pool is no walk in the park. You've got leaves, dirt, grime, and the whole 9 yards clinging on after a long winter.
It was a long winter. But spring is almost here.
A robot cleaner can be a lifesaver, but with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? I've tested several over the past few seasons, and the BeatBot AquaSense has really shined. Think of it as the Hermione Granger of pool cleaners. Brilliant, efficient, and packed with innovative features. First up, let's talk about brains. The AquaSense's path optimization algorithm can map your entire pool before it even starts cleaning. Imagine having a blueprint. That's what this mapping system does. With cutting-edge path optimization system that is powered by up to 15 ambient sensors and a 450 times smarter quad-core 1.8 gigahertz processor, this robot gives the most thorough cleans I have seen from a pool cleaning device. No more random bumping around, just a strategic, targeted cleaning path that ensures every inch gets scrubbed spotless. Speaking of cleaning paths, the AquaSense uses a unique S and N pattern. The S pattern tackles the floor with impressive precision, while the N pattern tackles the walls and waterline with agility. Now let's also talk about the Dolphin E70 because it does get the job done eventually. But the AquaSense does it with unmatched efficiency and coverage. Power matters too. The AquaSense packs a punch with its advanced brushless pump. This means it can handle even the toughest spring cleaning debris, leaving your pool sparkling clean from floor to waterline. Now also, let's talk about the things that really drive us crazy during spring cleaning. tangled cords, and endless scrubbing. The AquaSense is all about convenience. It's completely cordless, powered by a long-lasting battery that lets it clean for up to 3.5 hours over an area of 2,260 square feet. Plus, it has a nifty self-parking feature at the waterline when it's done, making retrieval easy to do. And when it comes to maintenance, the AquaSense keeps things very simple. The filter is easy to clean, and the app control lets you monitor the cleaning process and even schedule cleanings, all from the comfort of your lounge chair. Now, don't get me wrong, the Dolphin E70 is a good cleaner, but it can compete with the AquaSense cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features. Plus, with a power cord that you have to manage and a less sophisticated cleaning pattern, it just adds unnecessary stress to your spring cleaning routine. But let's take a closer look at how the AquaSense stacks up against the Dolphin E70. While both are formidable contenders, the AquaSense edges ahead in several key areas. Firstly, its enhanced brushless pump ensures enhanced cleaning performance and longevity, giving you peace of mind that your pool will stay pristine season after season. And with exclusive features like smart return and waterline parking, the AquaSense offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency. And this part might actually surprise you. Let's talk about value. The upfront cost of the AquaSense is only $1,299, a $700 difference from the $1,999 price tag of the Dolphin E70. Consider it an investment in your sanity and free time at a better price. The superior cleaning performance, user-friendly features, and long-lasting battery life of the AquaSense will save you hours of back-breaking work in the long run. When leaves and debris are all over, AquaSense's powerful wall cleaning and cordless design mean you won't have to worry about tangled cords or missing spots. Plus, with its intelligent return to the start point feature, you can set it and forget it, knowing it'll finish the job perfectly. On the other hand, while the Dolphin Explorer E70 offers Wi-Fi connectivity and a temperature sensor, it may still face challenges with manual steering lag and cord tangling. That's not as hassle-free as the AquaSense. For an investment, you probably want to know what's on the side of maintenance. The AquaSense boasts effortless maintenance with support for over-the-air software updates and convenient app control. You get to avoid tangled cords and enjoy the full plug-free operations with the cordless charging dock, making pool cleaning a breeze. And let's not forget about safety and reliability. With 15-plus certifications, including ETL, CEC, and IP68 ratings, you can trust that your pool is in good hands with the AquaSense. Now, I get it. It does sound like I'm pretty biased towards the BeatBot AquaSense pool cleaner, but that's because I've experienced both, and the AquaSense is my go-to pool cleaner. So when it comes to spring cleaning your pool, the BeatBot AquaSense emerges as the clear choice. Like I said, it's the Hermione Granger of pool cleaners, intelligent, efficient, and leaves your pool looking magical. But hey, don't take my word for it. Why don't you check out the links in the description below and learn more about the AquaSense. And while you're there, hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on my future videos.